Today is a special day. So parking the 340 up. Oh, the keys are in it. Oh, leave the keys in it. My boy AJ is gonna take the M340. I'm gonna take the lovely nighttime POV of the BMW M4 2015 boot mode stage. I don't even know. Lowered on KWs. You going? You ready? All right, cool. The keys are in the car, by the way. But I'm doing a nighttime POV on this. I'm taking a quick walk around before I take this thing on a lovely drive at night. Hopefully AJ is generous enough to let me take it in the daytime as well. But I'm gonna take this thing out at night and see how it compares interior wise to the BMW M340i. First and foremost, I miss the M4 coupes. Well, I miss my 435. As far as same thing as far as interior, pretty nice inside. Oh, you gotta love friends sometimes, huh? All right, button is right here. Headlights on, everything's on. Seatbelts, everyone. Oh, headlights are not on. Okay, boom. So here's the interior. Hopefully you guys can see it. We got a nice lovely radar here. These DCTs are really fun to drive, especially stop and go traffic. It's a real experience. It gives you a real experience, man, driving a DCT. You got it warm. The temps are warm, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in a little more aggressive of a mode here. I'll drop it in what you guys can see here. It's a lot darker than I'll drop it in Sport Plus and fix suspension. So the suspension doesn't change in Sport Plus, but the steering doesn't either. I'm gonna change the steering into, you know what, steering's gonna stay in comfort. I don't want any BS. Do the shifting. There's a little thing down here where you adjust shifting. I'm gonna put it on the 3rd setting for a little bit aggressive, and we're gonna have it in manual mode. So I'm gonna have it down 1, and here we go, guys.
Left already.
He left?
Yeah.
Oh, so where's he going? Why are you laughing at me?
I can't take you serious when you have that shit in your mouth.
Hey, listen, man. So where's he going?
He's going home.
Ah, shit. So where do you want to go? Just up and down real quick?
Yeah.
We'll go about 4 times and just come back.
Alright, let's go. Go ahead.
Alright, you go ahead of you?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice little M logo indentation here. 200 on the dash from factory, a bunch of other things. Roll out the windows. Jerky. This is a car where if you don't give it 10 tenths, it's kind of jerky, honestly, I realize. In its like toughest of toughest settings. Let's see if he wants to smoke. Yeah, this thing is fun. 1010's fun. Where's he coming? He's coming. He gotta be coming. Come on. Where you coming from, man? I know he's coming. Where are you coming from, man? These shifts are instant! Instant! Damn! Yo, my shifts are nothing like this. See if he wants to line it up with the big old B58. Redline is insane on this thing. Yo, the pull to redline is to be missed. Woo, I missed my big boost because it pulled to redline like this sucker. Hold on, I'm gonna pull a redline, guys. I give it to you for the boy. Ah! What? Oh my God. trip. Can't even get off. Whew, I know at night it's not a lot, but this is the shifter. But yeah, e-brake up. This car goes in neutral. It'll go in park if you turn it off, but most part neutral. There's no P on the stick. Gotta put the e-brake up. Car's running nice. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Let's go. Yo, okay, bro. Yo, I will admit.
I heard the car breaking up though. Breaks up.
It does?
Yeah, like you hear the exhaust like.
That was when traction control was kicking in.
Oh.
Yeah. Traction control, the light would flash and it would go. Yeah. That was a light flashing.
I thought it was just breaking up during boost.
Nah.
I have the charge pipes put on, but I haven't put them on yet.
Nah, it was the traction control light was on. I don't know if it was breaking up because the traction control light was on, but it would flash and I could feel it cutting boost. Yo, this thing is nice, man. That's nice, man. The DCT is different. Let me get my phone. Hold on. Oh wait, where's my phone? In the car. Okay, it's locked. So what's up? Nobody else is out? Is there any way you can get the lights not showing? There we go. Is that better? Yeah, it's adding like a blur, you know? Let me see something. Oh. Yeah. Let me... Now is the light better? It's better now, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, way better. Before I go, I'm gonna give you guys a little pull in the M340 because this is slow speed. Too many cops right. I had a 7-Eleven meet over there, so I think they shut a lot of stuff down. But yeah, give you guys a little pull in the M340 before I leave. right, guys. Peace out. I don't know if you can see me in black, but